Imagine you're sitting in front of the chart. The market moves slowly, quietly. No threat, no pressure. Just you and possibility. And suddenly, fear appears. Fear of missing out. Fear of being wrong. Fear of losing money. Fear of seeing a candle move against you. And that's where everything goes wrong. Today, for the next 20 minutes, I'll take you inside the mindset of a professional trader. Not indicators, not strategies, but the way of thinking that creates consistent winners. If you listen until the end, your approach to trading will never be the same. Part 1. The real enemy is not the market, it's your mind. Most traders believe they lose because of a bad strategy, wrong indicators, manipulation, unexpected news, or some evil market. But here's the truth. The market does not care about you. It's not trying to defeat you, it's simply moving. The real enemy is how you interpret those movements. Amateur traders focus on everything outside their control. Professional traders focus on what they can control: their mindset, their discipline, their execution, their risk, and their response to probability. That brings us to the next point. Part 2. Why most traders are never consistent. Every trader has two personalities: the part that wants to get rich fast and the part that wants to stay safe. When you sit in front of the market, these collide. Euphoria versus fear. Greed versus hesitation. You want big profits, but you fear losing. You want to enter, but you're scared it's the wrong moment. You want to hold, but you panic the moment price moves against you. Professional traders silence both voices. They follow only one compass: probability. They know every trade can win or lose. Nothing is guaranteed. So they focus on one thing only: perfect execution, not short-term results. Part 3. The edge, the secret weapon of professional traders. What is an edge? An edge is a small advantage that appears repeatedly if executed with discipline. It can be a specific price behavior, a pattern, a personal setup, or a rule system. Professionals understand this reality. An edge does not guarantee a win every time. It only works if you take every valid signal, without skipping, without hesitation, and without emotional interference. Amateurs ask, "What's the win rate?" Professionals ask, "Did I execute my edge flawlessly?" The mindset is different, and that difference creates different outcomes. Part 4. The market is neutral. Your emotions are not. When price suddenly reverses, you panic. When the market moves sideways, you get bored. When a long candle appears, you FOMO. When others profit, you feel anxiety. When your trades go red, you feel pain. But again, the market doesn't care. The market is simply moving, driven by probability and collective behavior. What makes trading emotionally painful is your interpretation of those movements. Professional traders understand one powerful truth: every candle is just information, nothing more, nothing less. No candle is designed to attack you. No movement is created to punish you. Once you can see the market as neutral, you enter the beginning of what professionals call the zone. So what exactly is the zone? It's a mental state where you do not fear, you do not hope, you do not overthink, you do not seek revenge, you do not overtrade, you do not chase, you do not hesitate. In the zone, you see the chart with full clarity. You follow your plan without resistance. You accept risk without emotion. You act with complete calm and make decisions effortlessly. The zone is not magic.
It's not luck, it's a state of absolute trust in your edge, combined with the understanding that one trade does not matter. When you enter the zone, your decisions become sharper, your emotions become quieter, your results become consistent. Part 6. How to build the mindset of a professional trader. Now the question is, how do you build this mindset? Here are the 4 pillars. 1. Accept uncertainty. Every trade is uncertain. No strategy eliminates randomness. Think of every trade as a weighted coin flip. 2. Follow your plan always. If your plan says buy, you buy. If it says stop, you stop. No improvisation, no negotiation. 3. Think in probabilities, not emotions. There's no, I feel like it's going up. There's only, this setup has X% probability and I will take it. 4. Focus on execution, not outcome. A loss is not a failure. A loss is part of the game. The real failure is breaking your rules. Consistency comes from behavior, not results. Closing. You cannot control the market, but you can control yourself. When you finally understand that the market is neutral, that every trade is just a probability, that your edge works over time, that emotions are the real enemy, and that consistency is built through discipline, everything changes. Professional trading is not about predicting the market, it's about mastering yourself. The calmest mind wins. The most disciplined wins. The most objective wins. If you apply these principles, you will change, your trading will change, and eventually, you will become a winner.